What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to continue talking about the quadratic equations and solving quadratic equations using the square root property. So I'm gonna have more examples. First example says x squared equals to, or x squared minus 48 equals to 0, and we need to solve it. So we need to use the square root property. It means that x squared, negative 48, you move it to the right hand side. So it's going to be x squared equals to 48. And then x will be plus minus square root of 48. Then we need to simplify it. We had it in square root part. 48 is 16 times 3. Square root of 16 times square root of 3, so that's going to be plus minus square root of 16 is 4, so it's going to be 4 root 3 plus minus 4 root 3. Next example, have m squared minus 50. Answer is m squared is going to be equal to 50. You move negative 50 to the other side. Then m will be plus minus square root of 50. M will be plus minus 50 is going to be 25 times root 2. That's going to be plus minus square root of 25 is 5. It's going to be 5 root 2. So m will be equal to plus minus 5 root 2. Next example. Z squared minus 27 equals to 0. Again, z squared will be equal to 27. Then z will be plus minus square root of 27. And 27 is 9 times 3. So square root of 9 times square root of 3. That will be plus minus 3 root 3. Next example. X squared plus 40 equals to 0. Answer will be x squared equals to negative 40. And as you remember in the previous video I said, whenever we have something squared equals to negative number, it means that there is no real answer to x. There is no way x squared will be equal to a negative number. So it means that x will be plus minus square root of negative 40. There is no such a thing. So we say no real solution or no real answer. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.